Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Clicks Before Coffee, and in today's video we are going to see how can we link our Google Ads account to our analytics account. Now this is going to be very important because in the previous lecture you might have seen that I got a lot of data in the demo account which were coming from your Google Ads. Now, in case if you have not linked your Google Ads account to your analytics, you will not get the data from your Google Ads account to your analytics account. So when you are managing your own analytics account and you want the data from Google Ads to be transferred to the analytics so that you can monitor the data closely, you can see conversion reports, and then you can probably think of optimizing your ads account according to the data which is available in analytics. It is very crucial for you to link your Google Ads account to your analytics account, and it's very simple. We can do it either from the analytics account or we can do it from the Google Ads account as well. Now, because this is a series, this is a course for Google Analytics, I am going to show you how you need to link your Google Ads account to your analytics from your analytics account. So let's go ahead and let's look at our analytics account first. And if you see the screen right now, this is our analytics account that we have been using. Okay, now this is not the demo account. If you see, this is my account that I created, okay, and it is created from my email address, the one that I am using for Google Analytics, and the same email address I have been using for my Google Ads account as well. Now, when we are talking about the Google email address, you will see that on the top right hand side, this is where you can see your profile picture, your Google account profile picture, and you will see that the email address that you have used to set up your Google account, it will be visible when you hover your mouse over your profile picture. Now, this is the same email address, this is the same Google account with which I have got my ads account. So I'm just going to show you that as well. So if you see here, I'm just going to click on this 9 grid and scroll down, and you will see that I've got Google Ads option here. I will click on the Google Ads option, which will then take me to my Google Ads account. Now I have got a lot of Google Ads account which I have created for teaching purposes, and I'm just going to click on any one of them. Okay, and you will see that this is a Google Ads account that I have created with the same Google account with the same email address, which you will see on the top right hand side, right? So they both need to be from the same Google account, same email address, and only then you will be able to link the analytics account with the Google Ads account. Now you can technically link other Google account analytics accounts to your ads as well from other email addresses, but I would recommend that you have one account through and throughout all your Google products. Okay, that way you will be able to seamlessly transfer all the data from Google Ads to analytics or from analytics to anywhere else, right? So whatever tool you use, right, the data transfer will be seamless. So in order for us to link our Google Ads account to the analytics account, we'll need to come to the left hand side. Right at the bottom you've got admin. You will click on admin and you will see that there is an option. If you scroll down, there is an option here under product links where you will see Google Ads link. Now you will be able to see that there are other products from Google as well that you can link to your analytics account, but right now we're just going to click on the Google Ads link. Now once we have clicked on this link, we have to establish a link first, right? So for that, well, what we'll need to do is we'll need to click on this link button here. Now if the Google account, the email address that you're using for analytics and Google Ads is the same, you will be able to see all your Google Ads account if you click on this choose Google Ads account. Okay, and if you see here, these are all my Google Ads account, right? I've just shown you right now, and the ones that you want to link, let's say suppose I want to link this one, I just check the box, I just click on confirm and I click on next. Okay, here you will get the option to configure settings. It says here enable personalized advertising, Google Analytics audience lists and remarketing events parameters will be published to the linked Google Ads account. You can change this setting anytime while maintaining your link for other purposes also. Okay, for you to seamlessly transfer the data for remarketing and for or the audience list as well. The audience list that you create in analytics, if you want that to be passed on to your Google Ads account, you can turn on this enable personalized advertising, and that's going to give you all the data ready in your Google Ads account, right? Highly recommended that you turn this on. It will be automatically it will be already turned on, so you don't need to do anything. You just need to keep it as it is, right? Then you've got enable auto tagging. Auto tagging allows analytics to associate Google Ads data automatically with customer clicks, enabling richer and more detailed reporting data that manual tagging across a number of Google Ads matrices and dimensions. Any Google Ads reporting features or ad units added in the future will only be available if auto tagging is enabled. Okay, now needless to say, please leave this as it is. Enable this when you're doing it right. Lots of benefits, no downside. Okay, so the tagging will be automated and it will be seamless, so please go ahead and keep this on. After that, scroll down and you will see that there is another option here which says allow access to analytics features from within Google Ads, right? So from within Google Ads you can control certain feature in analytics. So Google Ads users will with standard or higher access levels in the Google Ads account will be able to make changes to this analytics property using embedded analytics features, which is going to be in the Google Ads account, right? Such as audience builder from within Google Ads. So they can actually do it within Google Ads. They don't need to come to your analytics account, and you can change these access settings at any time. This totally optional. If you want to turn this on, you can turn this on. In case if you do not want to give certain analytics access to these users who are in Google Ads and who has standard access or higher, then I would recommend you turn this off. Totally your call. Okay, after that you just need to click on next, and the moment you click on next you will see this submit button, right? If you like the way you have set it, then just click on submit, and that's it. That will create the link with your Google Ads account. Now let me just cross this out, and it's going to take 24 hours for it to be first checked and then set up, right? So right now it's under review and it's going to be linked up soon, okay, within 24 hours. So you can see here it says account name, you've got your Google Ads account ID, you will see personalized advertising enabled. What all features you have enabled, it will be shown there, right, like this. Okay, and in case if you want to change any settings, you can do it from here. Okay, you will see that same access settings you will be able to see here, and then you can change it from here, right? And here if you click on the three dot, you will be even able to delete this link that you have created, right? So this is how you link your Google Ads account to your analytics account. So that's it guys. If you have any questions, do let me know. I will try to answer them as soon as I can. And in case if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell notification so that you do not miss on any videos that I upload in this series, this course that I'm building for Google Analytics 4. Until the next video guys, I will see you. For now, take care.